Hello dear friends, today I will teach you how to edit the image in a Photoshop 7. Now why this is important? So in the pharmacy world, the most important part is research. So it is more important that how you should know how to change or how to edit the image in a Photoshop 7. As per the current scenario, you know how difficult it is to accept your research or review articles. So to increase the acceptance criteria, or we can say to increase the acceptance of our article, we should increase or we should improve something in our article, and that is here is a images, or we can say figures. Don't worry, here you are getting the solution in just in a 3 to 4 minutes. So first of all, this is the software. It's a Photoshop 7. Now to open any image, if you have any image on your desktop, you can just open it by just go in the file and open. Now clicking on the image where it is saved, as I saved my image in a desktop. So I clicked on desktop. So here this is the image. Now you have to just go to the image. To change the size, you have to go to the image size. Now here there will be two options you will get. One is the pixels per inch and second one is the pixels per centimeter. So here you have to change pixels per centimeter, and if you want 300 dpi or 500 dpi, if you want 300 dpi, you have to just write 300 dpi. Just press on OK. And here is the image size. You can see over here the big image. Now just see the look of the image. Now we are going to change it. So to change it, you have to first go to the layer. Here you have to make a duplicate layer of your image. So you have to just duplicate layer, so it will copy your background image. So you have to copy the background image. Now here you can find there is a background image. After that you have to just go to the filter. Now here there are many options. Don't go to any option, just come here to the sharpen. Just click here to unsharp image. So you will find it. So whatever here, see, you can see whatever here is the thing. There are three things. First is the amount, radius and threshold. So here in amount you have to keep it 500. Okay, the 500, the maximum percentage, 500%. In radius you have to write a 12. You can keep your radius at a 12 pixels or at a 5 pixels as per your image. See over here. So 12 pixels is a good for every images. So I'm selecting here 12 pixels for radius, and this threshold you have to select 50. So just look at the levels and look at the image. Here you can find the difference. Now you can set it at a 55 also. You can set it at a 55 also as per your image. You can set it at a 55 also as per your image. But 50 for every image, we can keep it 50 and it will give a good result. Now just click on OK. Now just see the image. Now go to the layers. Okay, select, see here you have to go to the layers. There are two layers. One is background, another one is copy of your background. So you have to just select. For example, if there you can select a vivid light or linear light. You can find this kind of result for a linear light. Now look at the image, how it is changed. Then you can select hard light, whatever light you like you can select for your image. You can select soft light also. So here I am going to select the vivid light. It is giving more beautiful look to my image. After that, just come here again to the layer and just flatten your image. So your background image is deleted. Only one image will be there. Only one image will be there. And now see, this is your final image. You can go to the file to save your image. You can just go to the save as. And now just I am going to save this image by giving the name image 1 on my desktop. Just save the image on a desktop. Here you have to select the option none. You can select your image in any format. You can select in JPG format, you can select in PNG format. So you can now see, we will see what is the difference. We will get the difference. The drastic change that we will see. Now our image is already saved. So we have, I am going to open just the image. It's a first image. Now just look at the image and see the difference. You can find the difference in an image. So look at the difference. See how our image is looking. Now see, you can just open your image. Okay, just open your image, this image. You can increase the size of image. Okay, you can zoom it. It will not going to break. See, you cannot find any blur image. See, this is how your images change. So you can zoom it, you can do anything, whatever you like, and you will find the image. So this is the final image. Thank you, dear friends.